What's up, everyone? Wanted to come to you. I am in Panama City. I did a video on Richmond that I'm going to show you. The weather kind of sucks here. I was going to go outside and do it, but it's so bright and also foggy at the same time. It's kind of weird. I was able to get some cool shots last night on the beach with the sunset though. But anyway, we're going to take a look at Richmond and that area and what's been going on over there. And hope you all have a good new year. Thanks to everyone that's watched the videos throughout the year. We've really come a long way, and I hope you enjoy it. So today we're going to go down this road. I actually drove this road and then released the drone from down here. I don't want people thinking I flew it over the turnpike, you know what I mean? Alright, so we are going to start down at the southern end, right where the arrow ended. And we're going to fly. This is going north. You're going to see Brownwood in the distance. And that's actually the Brownwood Spa. And then we're starting to aim toward the east a little bit here. You can see they have some of the pump houses in place, but not much else is going on in this area. They are moving the dirt around. This is to the western side of that map that I showed you that they're actually working on right now. The Villages does own up to 301 on certain parts of this, but there are still houses along the turnpike that the Villages does not own. Well, it doesn't look like it anyway, because there's still people living in there. And of course, I wanted to show you one specific place that I think is pretty interesting when we flip around and go the other way. Now this is the turnpike here, running east to west or northwest to southeast or whatever you want to call it, but it splits West de Luna and this area. So this is West de Luna down here. The turnpike splits that and the Richmond area. Richmond is the area we were just flying over, of course. And West de Luna, they're actually starting to get the walls in between where the villages or the little villages are going to be. That is de Luna over there on the left side, kind of in the top middle. And then there's the Water Lily Bridge going across the turnpike that connects both. Now, as we fly to the east, and you have Lake Okahumpka, I'm going to show you a specific area that I think is kind of it's different. And I've heard that the Villages has done this before, but typically when they purchase a property from someone, I believe they have a certain amount of time to vacate. And this place that's in the middle of these trees over here that you're gonna see still has people living in it. So I'm wondering if they're waiting until either the last minute to let them move out, like if they're letting them actually stay there, or if they didn't sell their property and they're just going to stay there up until they leave. Now the property is right in these trees right over here, and they do have access to it from the south frontage road. I didn't even see it until we spun around it, and we'll spin around it in a minute here. Now this is Megasin Road. It goes all the way up into Brownwood. You can see they are working in the Richmond area. There was a couple trucks going in and out of here when I was here. And then you have the Okahumpka Recreation Center and St. John's, which St. John's, they are building quite a bit right now over in St. John's. So you see there's actually nothing around this entire area of trees, and there's construction going in and out. But there is definitely someone either staying there or maybe they park their work trucks there. I don't know. You tell me what you think in the comments. But if you look in here when we spin around, there's definitely cars and the house is still there. And so now we're flying toward the Water Lily Bridge. And this is all along the turnpike. And the Water Lily Bridge will take you down into DeLuna. I'm hoping that they have that West DeLuna open pretty soon, the access to 301, so I can start driving through there. This might be one of my new favorite areas just because of the ease of location. They are going to have a big rec center just south of Highway 44, south of Brownwood, and the ease of access to Brownwood and even the southern portion of the turnpike is pretty amazing. So here's that house right in here. Pretty crazy that it's still there. And there's a truck in there, so I don't know again if that's a work truck or if they're actually just letting the people stay there until they get ready to move. But there's still a trampoline in the backyard. So Richmond is going to have apartments, and it's going to be called the Lofts at Richmond, which is pretty interesting. I'm going to get over to St. John in a couple days and do some videos on that, and then the southern Hawkins area also, because both have a lot of construction going on and a lot of houses being put up. So I want to get over there and show you guys that. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. As always, like and subscribe. Hurts my feelings when you don't subscribe, so make sure you subscribe so I'm not crying myself to sleep at night. And as always, I will see you in the next one.